Hello, I'm Ashton Chopin. I'm in your section 2 of ELRC. And this is a little picture of me to start off. And then this is my biography. Another picture of me, and I'm just telling you like a little bit about myself, um, what I like, where I'm from, stuff like that. And then this was the name tent we made for class. And then this was a concept map we made of our goals and objectives for this class and for the semester. And then these were all my bookmarking sites, so Symbaloo, Digio, and Pinterest. And I will be using these in the future, especially Pinterest, because I'm already love Pinterest and I like to categorize my things and stuff. This is the travel bubble map we did. And I did it on Paris, France, and that really helped because I could locate things easier and specify what I wanted to put in there. And then this was my travel brochure, and this was probably one of my favorite projects we did because I do, or I have always wanted to go to Paris, but I've never been, and now I know some cool places to go. This was our Google slideshow of our favorite things we did, which that was also fun to make. Um, this was my app I did a presentation on, and I really liked this activity because I got to learn about a lot of new apps that I had no idea were like even a thing. This was my blog I made. I made a food blog because I'm just like really into eating, aren't we all, and stuff like that. So that was fun. And then this is my iMovie link right here. And this was actually also one of my favorite projects because I've always wanted to learn how to make iMovies, and now I finally know how. Like before, I thought it was so confusing and so hard, but it's really not. So I'm glad we did this actually. Um, so for the Google site, this is my whole thing right here, and I wrote a lot about it. So I thought it was helpful and a simple platform to figure out, especially to make a website on. I created 5 tabs. Homepage consisting of a picture of myself and a quick bio. The next tab was my resume and the PowerPoint I created about my favorite things. Then I included a tab about my hobbies and interests and a couple photos of my family and like food, obviously. And then and the next tab was my food blog and the iMovie I created of my experience about quarantine. And then lastly was telling you about my future plans and where I am potentially headed in life. So I actually, well, this is Padlet, obviously we're on, and I did enjoy making this because it was easy, well instructed, it accommodated my needs, well organizing. Um, I liked using it for the portfolio because I had it's a good visual appeal, and I feel like if people ever go through it, it's going to be easy and they can find things they need to just look through and read through it. Okay, so for the Screencast-O-Matic, the thing we're on now, this was a little complicated for me because so like the launch free, it said, first it popped up, it said my computer, like it was dangerous for my computer, and I was like, okay, well, it's gonna have to be dangerous, I'm submitting this. And so I clicked on it, and then it made me go to my privacy settings so I could access my camera, my voiceover, so that was a little more challenging than I would have liked it to be, but we got through it and now we're here now, and yeah, I kind of like it now. I don't know. I also kind of like talking and hearing my own voice, but whatever. And then, okay, my final thoughts on this class. So, I actually did enjoy this class just because I like learning about like new little technology things that are out there because there's so many of them. But my favorite thing about this class is all the creativity that I could personally use. Um, I am most excited to, I already told you, to make iMovies because I finally know how to make them and they are so easy to make. And after graduating this coming May and like next week, I am applying to the Mass Comm grad school here at LSU. And if those plans don't work out, I am probably gonna go just get an entry level job in pharmaceutical sales. It's always something I've thought about and always something that is kind of my backup right now. So, but here's my email, and I want to thank you for everything because I did enjoy your class and just you and your personality. So thank you.